All right, dropping in the Arkansas in the morning. The evening session, only fished for about an hour. Was ripping streamers and had 6 or 7 looks in an hour, which was pretty good for that short a time. I just never fully hooked up on one. Didn't land anything. They were quick striking it. I just missed a couple and had one hit 3 times. Probably should have caught that one, but the others were just kind of quick striking. Had some big moves, or moved a fish 5 feet, 6 feet from the bank to chase it. So it was a good sign. At least what I was fishing was attracting fish. I couldn't put anything on the board last night. So we're gonna start this morning with Chubby rig to Pat's to Iron Lotus, and then we'll streamer back if we don't have a good time going upstream. But we'll see how it goes. Either way, beautiful day. May has been super rainy. Flows are up, I think around 2100 down near like Browns Canyon in that area. So water's definitely high. We're gonna be focusing on the banks, slow sections, things like that. But should be fun either way. Chubby eat! Nice! Oh, shoot. Oh, man. First good chubby eat of the spring. Oh, I love it. So sick. Oh, man. Too bad I didn't land that one. It wasn't a big fish, but that's the first good chubby eat I've had all year. So, loving that. Hell yeah. There's one on the nymphs. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to land fish today. With this much current. Decent. Should probably be walking this guy downstream, but play him in the current and see if he'll get tired. Shoot, this leader's just a little long. He's in between my legs. There he is. On the Lotus. Need the forceps for that one probably, but a little 12-inch brown guy, not a bad start. Little guy at the bottom of the swing. How many streamer action I had? That's probably a pretty good float. Picking it up at the end. Another Lotus eater. Little brown guy. See you, buddy? Hey, it's gonna be a fun morning. Temps are still coming up. I mean, usually out here on the Ark, hatches are a little later just because how cold it gets at night, especially this time of year. It got down to probably 35 last night and just above freezing the night before. So in the mornings, definitely taking a little longer for bugs to hatch. Pretty good hatch came off yesterday when I was fishing streamers, but had my streamer rod rigged up, so we fished streamer. So, hey, good start. Keep going up the river. Chubby, nice. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice. It's a nice brown on the chubsters. Little slow rolly chubby eat. Gotta love that, man. That's signs of summer right there. I mean, high water, you know where the fish are at. Oh, did he break off my dropper? Somehow? It's a little annoying, but we'll tie that back on. We'll take it for a fish this size. There's a lot of good fish in the Ark, man. It's a really good fishery these days. They've done a lot of work from the past. That's a little 13er, but that's a nice slot here at the Ark, man. That's just, I mean, let's throw another one in here. This is a really good hole right now. That's where the other fish was. He was sitting right there. Be shocked if I catch another one in the exact same lane. Oh, deeper down. A little further in the bottom of the hole there. Pulled him up with the lotus. Lotus is playing right now. That's one of my favorite flies. The lotus and green. I think it has some caddis. I think it has some caddis imitator to it, in addition to some mayfly. I think it's a nice mix between the two. I think sometimes you get some eats on both bug species. Sorry, buddy. There we go. Another nice one, a little skinnier, little skinny 12er probably. See you, brother. Oh, it's nice. Oh, fishing's so good. Just puts a smile on your face. Ooh. It's a decent guy. Oh yeah, it's a decent fish. And we might have fouled him. This is gonna be a while, thank goodness. Huh. That's probably a 17-inch fish. 16, 17-inch fish that I might have got on the tail. That was gonna be an adventure. All right, that's gonna do it. Really hot there for a little bit, and then cooled off, but had a really good morning. A couple chubby eats, which is sweet. Real nice chubby eats, a couple of those. Only landed the one, but it was still, it really gets your heart pumping. Love a dry fly, top water strike. So much fun. But thanks again for watching, guys. See you on the next one.